Doing this one thing can instantly improve your physical, mental, and emotional health, and that thing is setting boundaries. And here are 7 types of boundaries that you need to set this year. Number 1, time. Owning your time, saying no to extra commitments, and carving out time for focused work. Number 2, energy. Unsubscribe from negativity and drama, saying no to things that drain you and stick to your word. Number 3, physical boundaries. Learn what you're comfortable with, have your personal space, and be vocal about it. Number 4, information. Not everything needs to be shared. Number 5, emotional boundaries. You do not have to be everybody's emotional dumping ground. Number 6, your own value. Don't let others undervalue your time, skills, or worth. Number 7, your non-negotiables. Identify your deal breakers, the things that you will absolutely not tolerate, and then stick with them. Remember that setting and upholding your own boundaries is an act of self-worth, so go ahead, share this video to others. Now let's slow this down and understand why boundaries are so powerful. Most people believe their stress, exhaustion, and emotional pain come from difficult people or hard situations. But very often, the real cause is not what happens to us. It is what we allow. Every time you ignore your limits, your mind learns that your needs are not important. Over time, this slowly damages your confidence, your energy, and your mental health. Boundaries are not about being rude or distant. They are about clarity. They show where you end and where others begin. When boundaries are weak, your life becomes reactive. You respond to everyone's needs, moods, and demands, and your nervous system never fully relaxes. This keeps your body in a constant state of tension. And when tension becomes normal, burnout is not far behind. Time boundaries are often the first place where life starts to feel overwhelming. When you don't protect your time, everything feels urgent and nothing feels meaningful. Saying no is not rejection, it is direction. It tells your brain what actually matters. When your time has structure, your mind feels safer, more focused, and less scattered. Energy boundaries decide how you feel each day. Constant exposure to negativity, drama, and emotional chaos trains your nervous system to stay alert. This is why some people feel tired even after resting. Their energy is being drained emotionally. Choosing what you engage with is not avoidance. It is mental hygiene. Physical boundaries rebuild your sense of safety. Your body remembers every time you forced yourself to be comfortable when you were not. When you start honoring your physical space and comfort, your self-trust slowly returns. And when self-trust grows, anxiety often weakens. Emotional and information boundaries protect your inner world. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts, struggles, and feelings. Oversharing can feel relieving at first, but it often leaves you feeling exposed and misunderstood. Choosing when and with whom you open up gives you emotional stability instead of emotional chaos. Boundaries around value change how you see yourself. When you stop allowing others to waste your time or diminish your worth, your mind updates its self-image. Confidence does not come from affirmations. It comes from behavior that matches self-respect. And non-negotiables are where self-worth becomes real. They're the lines you draw not to control others, but to protect your peace. When these are clear, decisions become easier, stress becomes lighter, and relationships become healthier. Because boundaries are not walls. They are the structure that protects your physical health, your mental clarity, and your emotional peace.